In this video, I'll be reviewing Stripe 8 Plus versus Clerky. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to look at the similarities and then move towards the differences. So the first similarity we have is startup focus. So I'm just going to write it down. Startup focus. Both Stripe 8 Plus and Clerky cater specifically to startups, understanding the unique challenges faced by young companies. The next one we have is Streamlined platforms. So, Streamlined platforms. They offer user-friendly online platforms that simplify the process of managing your company's formation documents and ongoing legal compliance. And lastly, we have US incorporation. So, US incorporation. Both platforms can assist with incorporating your business in the United States, either as limited liability company or a C corporation. Alright, so that is it for the similarities. Now look at the differences. So the first difference we have is target audience. So, target audience. So let's look at Stripe 8 Plus first. It has a more specific target audience, overseas founders seeking to establish a presence in the US market. Their services are particularly geared toward high-growth tech startups with ambitions of becoming the next Silicon Valley unicorn. Now, on the other hand, Clerky casts a wider net, catering to a broader range of startups, including those already based in the US. Their offerings extend beyond just formation, encompassing a wider variety of legal services for ongoing business operations. The next difference we have is services offered. So, services offered. Now let's look at Stripe 8 Plus first. It provides a single comprehensive formation package that includes company incorporation, which can be LLC or C Corp, and an employer identification number, a bank account set up with Stripe, and lastly, a compliance guidance to ensure your business adheres to relevant regulations. While on the other hand, Clerky offers a more extensive range of services, including company formation, which is LLC or C Corp, with various state filing options. It also provides document management tools for storing and organizing legal documents, provides stock option creation and management for attracting and retaining talent, ongoing legal compliance tools to keep your business up to date with regulations, and lastly, integrations with other popular startup platforms for a more connected ecosystem. The next difference we have is financial services. So, for Stripe 8 Plus, it has a clear advantage with its seamless integration into Stripe, a leading payment processing platform. This allows startups to easily manage online payments, subscriptions, and other financial transactions directly from within the Stripe 8 Plus platform. While for Clerky, it does not offer built-in financial services and focuses solely on the legal side of running a business. Integration with separate payment processing solutions would be required. Now, let's look at pricing. So, for Stripe 8 Plus, it offers a single formation package at a competitive price point. This can be a good value proposition for startups needing a streamlined solution with essential features. For Clerky, their formation package might be slightly more expensive than Stripe Atlas's offering. However, their a la carte options provide flexibility and can be cost-effective for companies that only require specific services. The long-term value proposition of Clerky's lifetime access package needs to be weighed against your anticipated legal needs. Now lastly, let's look at speed. So, both Stripe 8 Plus and Clerky boast fast turnaround times for business formation, typically within 1 to 3 business days. This allows you to get your company up and running quickly. Alright, so that is it for the differences. Now, ultimately, both Stripe Atlas and Clerky offer valuable solutions for startups. By carefully considering the factors outlined above and aligning them with your specific needs and goals, you can make an informed decision and select the platform that will best support your startup's journey from launch to success. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.